how to get access to all generated captions in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application. From there you can see I have already added up the caption, and if I scroll down the list of my video, you can see the different captions that I have that are coming in my video. So if I wanted to get access all of those captions, I can have to tap right here on this content, and after tapping there you will get access to the edit button. So just tap right here on the edit, and you can see this is all of the content that is generated in your video, and you can tap right here on any of the line, and from there you can delete the text from there by tapping on the delete button, and you can change your content. Like if this is written as animated, so you can change it. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.